Good morning. Who do we have here?
Roshan.
Roshan, how are you doing today?
Fantastic, right now excited.
Fantastic. Excited. What are you doing today?
I'm gonna skydive.
Going skydiving. Any special occasion for going skydiving today?
Today is, in my religion, it's a new year. We call it a Cheti Chand. So happy new year to everyone.
What a way to celebrate, huh? Let's jump into a new year. Well, you look fantastic. You ready to go?
100%.
Let's get a high five. Let's have some fun. Here we go. All right, man, we found us an airplane. Are you ready to get in this thing so we can get out of it?
Oh, for sure.
All right, well, let's go have some fun. Here we go. Woo-hoo! High five. Boom. Get it. All right, man, you just went skydiving. How are you feeling?
I was flying. Oh man. Like I said, I'm gonna repeat my statement. I'm jealous of these people.
Yeah.
They do this thing every day, probably 10 times a day. They have fun.
What was your favorite part?
Oh, the free fall.
You like that free fall, huh?
Free fall and the way you, what you call, move around in your parachute. That's another feeling, man. That's
amazing.
Awesome.
You did so good.
Thanks,
Thank you so much for jumping with us at Skydive Colorado Springs.
Thanks, man.
Thank you.
Woo!